Welcome to Daily Affirmations Awakening. In today's session, we will focus on affirmations for practicing mindful eating, bringing awareness, gratitude, and nourishment to every meal. Take a moment to settle in. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly, letting go of any distractions. Now, let's begin our affirmations. I choose to eat with awareness and gratitude. Each bite I take nourishes my body and soul. I listen to my body's natural hunger and fullness cues. I eat slowly and savor every flavor and texture. My meals are an opportunity to care for myself. I am present with my food, free from distractions. I appreciate the journey my food has taken to nourish me. I release guilt and enjoy food with a balanced mindset. My body knows what it needs, and I honor its wisdom. I am patient and kind with myself in my eating habits. I focus on the quality of my food and how it makes me feel. Eating mindfully brings me peace and satisfaction. I chew slowly and enjoy the experience of eating. I give myself permission to enjoy my meals fully. My relationship with food is one of respect and care. I make choices that fuel my energy and well-being. I eat with love, kindness, and self-awareness. I find joy in nourishing my body with wholesome foods. Mindful eating connects me to my body's needs. I am grateful for the nourishment I receive every day. Let's take one more deep breath together. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale. May you carry this mindfulness into every meal, honoring your body and embracing nourishment with gratitude. Feel free to return to these affirmations whenever you need. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments below. Let's support each other in cultivating mindful eating habits. Until next time, be present, eat with intention, and nourish yourself with love.